अनिल कपूर, विजय वर्मा और आकाश की जोड़ी है नए वेब सीरीज के लिए। जानते हैं क्या
कि
हुआ
भले ही
पहले
नेटफ्लिक्स पे
ट्विस्ट।
बजट कम ले लो, आपका एम्बिशन उससे बड़ा होना चाहिए।
I'm 100%, adding this to my calendar right away. Vidum sir, how was the collaboration?
It's been fantastic. We've been waiting to be on this stage and to be next on Netflix for a few years now, and I couldn't be happier and prouder that आज हमारा डेब्यू फैमिली बिजनेस के साथ होता है।
सही है। तो आपका एक फैमिली बिजनेस बन चुका है और क्रिएटिंग गुड कंटेंट बैक टू बैक। बट those are the मुझे मेकर
Guys, I also want to thank my co-creator Nirek Bhatt, Ankur. I think they're somewhere in the dark web. But all those who are present here, they have made this show possible. It's a privilege to have Anil sir working with us on Netflix on this show. And विजय जिनके साथ पहली बार काम कर रहा हूँ, उनकी एंटायर कास्ट, मतलब आपने एंसेम्बल देखा, उससे भी कई ज़्यादा बड़ा एंसेम्बल है, एम्बिशन. So I hope when the show comes out, all of you enjoy it and give it all the love that it deserves.
Absolutely. And Anil sir, it's so nice to see you in person. और भी ज़्यादा dashing लग रहे हैं. Actually आपके लिए एक special voice note भेजा है सोनम ने. Would you like to hear it?
यहाँ भी सुनना पड़ेगा सोनम को।
Hi guys, this is Sonam Kapoor. And I just want to say that I won a national award for Neerja, but Papa should win a national award for looking so jackass, Papa. How do you do it? So amazing.
Jay, this is so amazing, of course.
सबसे पहले मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि झकास तो आपके पिताजी हैं, जॉनी लीवर साहब, जिनका मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ। आप भी झकास हैं, आपको मैं हमेशा फैन रहा हूँ। सबसे पहले आपको मैंने बुलाया था, याद है कितने साल हो गए उसको? आपने अपना करियर इतना शुरू नहीं किया जब मैंने आपको बुलाया, तो मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ। जितने भी यहाँ हैं, विजय साहब, हंसल साहब, ऑब्वियसली यंगेस्ट हंसल साहब, विक्रम साहब द प्रोड्यूसर, एंड आकाश के साथ मेरी इतने सालों की दोस्ती है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स ऑल ऑफ यू, इनके साथ काम करके बहुत मजा आया। All these young people, they are giving me a run for the money, as I say, बहुत competition बढ़ रहा है, और इनके साथ दौड़ लगाना, तो that keeps me young, I think, that keeps me young, competing with all of you youngsters. And thank you, the media, for coming, and all of you all. It's a great occasion, the 10 years of Netflix, and 10 साल Netflix हो गए, मुझे और जो 50 साल होने वाले हैं, तो but I feel as young as Netflix. Yeah.
Alright guys, only wishing Jackass journey ahead to the entire team of Family Business in Barcelona, सबके लिए. And now, Vijay, coming to you. Yes, Netflix के pretty much some options are my back-to-back things on Netflix, but how was this different?
नेटफ्लिक्स का मैं पहले दामाद था, मुझे लग रहा मैं घर जमाई बन गया हूँ। कल रात को 2 बजे तक नेटफ्लिक्स का एक शूट कर रहा था, और आज यहाँ पर सर के साथ। So I feel very good. It's a very healthy, loving marriage that I have with them, and नेटफ्लिक्स ही मेरा ससुराल है। What I feel this is special for me in many ways. I feel the first chance to collaborate with one of my favorite directors, Hansal Mehta. He's been killing it. His work is so refined, so good, so cutting edge, and I got to play such a beautiful part in the story. And working with Vikram sir for the first time, and the evergreen, the ever magnanimous, the stud boy, the most dashing, the most debonair, the youngest actor I have ever worked with, Mr. Anil Kapoor, and his energy, his zest for life, his profession to craft. I've had a ball today with them, and Ria for the first time, and Nandesh for the first time. So several first times here. So my old association with Netflix and some new relationships, I'm in a very happy place. Thank you so much.
And we're in a very happy place too with this amazing cast all together. So family business का वीडियो हमने देखा.
It was an opportunity of a lifetime to get to work with these stalwarts, people you've admired for decades and respected and loved. So it was the most simple choice. I called my management and I said, ये फिल्म मैं देखूंगी, मुझे इसमें काम करना है.
Wow, fantastic. Very inspiring, and as we also mentioned, I'm also reading that kind of writing movie. And honest confession. So, so but here, सनी पाजी के go to drama में, और उनको टक्कर देनी है आपने. How difficult does it get? Or how tricky?
Can I just
Please.
अगर कोई टक्कर दे सकता तो ये दे सकता.
Please tell me.
I've been working on my Dhai Yoga heart. So that's been the preparation. And Baki, he's such an incredible co-actor. Most of my scenes were with him. And still, if I can say, there was this one day when we were shooting and we finished his first close-up, and then the close-up was on me. And these two flies started dancing around his eyes. Okay?
Wow.
2 minutes. And then one fly decided to match निकलता हूँ. The other one said, मैं देख रहा हूँ सनी सर कैसे हैं. He sat on his eye here. And I am doing my thing. I am trying to finish my dialogue fast before the fly. And the fly is crawling up. It's almost at his waterline. And he's not cutting. He didn't cut the short. And I am thinking, please, like, should I? Why don't you cut what he did? And I have to walk away from him. So I walk away, call cut, and I keep rushing back. Saying, why? Why did you call cut? You know, I didn't want to spoil your take. It was going so well. And I was so moved. After all these years, you feel you can earn the right to call a cut when you're uncomfortable, right? And that he didn't do it was very, very moving. And I'm really, he's simply generous.
God, yeah, this is really, काफी कमाल की stories I'm sure और भी निकली होंगी, but thank you so much for this one. 2.5 किलो का हाथ और 250 किलो का talent सब कुछ है आपके पास इस show पर. Congratulations. एक बार एक के लिए एक picture click कर हो गया.